All right, Terrance is gonna try a box of 13-14 Heroes and Prospects. You wanted bottom box. So here we go. Good luck and thank you very much. Let's try to get a McDavid. McJesus. All right, first pack. We start with an autograph of Nikolai Goldobin. Autograph. Autograph of Julius Bergman. All base. Autograph. Focus. Jared McCain. Jared McCain autograph. All base. Prospect of Travis Konechny. Base. .3D prospect card of Nikita Serbeyakov. 3D prospect card. Nikita Serbeyakov. Prospect jersey card. Black version of Derek Pouliot. Prospects 3D card of Nikita Sherbak. Prospect of Curtis Lazar. Prospect of Laurent Dauphin. Base. Base. Not bad. Game used jersey of Bo Orvat. Bo Orvat game used jersey. Jumbo jersey. I think we're waiting on one more hit. Base. There it is. Prime jersey. Black version of Jérémy Grégoire. prime jersey, Jeremy Gregoire. Last pack. And base. Now we're going to do a recap. Jeremy Gregoire, prime jersey. Bo Horvat, jumbo jersey. Prospects of Laurent Dauphin. Prospect of Curtis Lazar. 3D prospect of Nikita Sherbak. Top prospect game used jersey of Derek Pouliot. 3D prospect card of Nikita Serbakyakov. Prospect card of Travis Konecny. Autograph of Jared McCain. Autograph of Julius Bergman. An autograph of Nikolai Goldobin. So that's it. I'll get it on the way. Thank you very much.